Hi, and welcome to Emergency Cooking, the show to watch when you need something quick and easy to whip up for Santa's arrival. I'm your host, Lou Gagnon, and today we'll be making cornflake Christmas wreaths. But before we get started, the first thing you're going to want to do is wash your hands. If you have long hair, tie it back in a ponytail. Always wear an apron to protect your clothes. Remember to always be very sanitary while working in the kitchen. Now, the first things you're going to need are a pot, a wooden spoon, a large metal spoon, wax paper, and a tin cookie sheet. Now, the ingredients you're going to need are 6 cups of cornflakes, a bag of marshmallows, 2 tablespoons of butter, and little red cinnamon candies with green food coloring. Your first step will be to pour your bag of marshmallows into your pot. Along with your 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to melt these on your stove on a low setting so your marshmallows don't burn. And if they start turning brown, then you're melting them on too high of a level. And you can keep them from burning. And they'll melt faster this way if you stir them up with your wooden spoon. You can see these are not quite finished melting, but they're not exactly individual marshmallows anymore either. And we're almost ready to throw in the food coloring. And after your marshmallows have melted, the next step is to put in enough green food coloring to make it the color you want it. And stir that in there with your marshmallows. It's turning green. And once your marshmallows are green, the color you want it, you can mix in your 6 cups of cornflakes. And once all your cornflakes are covered with green marshmallow, you scoop them out with your metal spoon and set them on your wax paper. You can decorate it with your little red candies. Before your marshmallow melts would be a good idea. And once you have put all your cookie wreaths on the wax paper, all you have yet to do is to wait for the marshmallow to dry, and then you can serve them on decorative plates like this one. Or this one. You can give them to Santa or relatives, whoever you want. And that's all we have for today. We're going to end this edition of Emergency Cooking with an Emergency Cooking Christmas movie. And that's all we have for today.
Feeling mighty fine. My radio.
He's making a list, checking it twice, gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Silly me. How is Santa going to get in the house if I leave the chimney doors closed? Sure hope he can fit in here. Gosh. I'm sure Santa wouldn't miss just one.
Ho, ho, ho!
Is anybody there?
Just jolly old Saint Nick.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Santa, would you like a cookie?
Oh. Okay. Ho, 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 ho. Cookie.
I learned how to make them on Emergency Cooking.
Uh-huh.
My friends Matt and Lou are the hosts.
Matt and Lou, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Here, have a cookie.
Thank you.
Ah. Ho, ho, ho.
He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming.
Oh, ho, ho. Yes, I know Matt and Lou. Very good kids. I would never think of giving them coal.
Oh,
no. Well, it's been fun, but I must go.
Oh, you want the cookies? I sure do hope you like them. See you next year, Santa. Only one measly toy? I sure am glad those cookies were quick and easy to make.